A promises a sleek solution for restoring damaged ecosystems. But what happens when these systems overlook critical aspects they simply can't to grasp? The idea is simple. Smarter tools mean fewer mistakes and better outcomes. Right. But there's more to it than meets the AI mismatch between ACE capabilities and nature's complexity. Ecosystems are intricate networks where countless variables interact constantly. While today algorithms excel at analyzing large datasets from satellite imagery or sensor readings, they often miss crucial factors like symbiotic relationships that aren't easily quantifiable. This problem arises because current AI relies heavily on historical data trends rather than understanding ecological dynamics in real time. As a result, unexpected changes can slip through undetected, like significant declines in native pollinator species despite sophisticated monitoring systems aimed at preserving biodiversity hotspots against deforestation threats. In one case, traditional field surveys revealed that bees were not adapting well to land use changes optimized by AI without considering their specific habitat needs adequately. This highlights a common mistake. Assuming once an automated system is set up, human oversight becomes unnecessary since everything's supposedly streamlined perfectly now. But failing to maintain continuous evaluation leaves room for significant errors creeping in undetected over time. Experts stress that while AI offers immense potential benefits towards conservation efforts and ecological monitoring, it must be balanced against its reliance strictly upon quantifiable data. To safeguard effectively, 1. Ensure multidisciplinary collaboration involving both technologically savvy teams and those deeply knowledgeable about nature when planning any new automation initiatives. 2.